Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law Legal. Currently, I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So, the living evidence in my presentation topic is LGBTQ and their independence. So, the living evidence in this regard is that even birds do not reproduce their young ones when they are kept in captivity. Thus, freedom or independence can be better explained as the way of life in which one is at liberty to live one's life as per her choice within the compass of social and legal framework. When the social and legal framework indulges their lifestyle, they feel deprived of their liberty. Understanding LGBTQ. LGBTQ plus community is a term which is the acronym for lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer or questioning. Let us briefly understand each term are better understanding of who they are. Lesbian. Women who are attracted to other women are referred to as lesbians. Gay, a homosexual person or someone who is attracted to the same sex as themselves is referred to as gay. Bisexual people who are attracted to both male and female are referred to be bisexual. Transgender people whose gender is identification is the polar opposite of their ascribed sex or who are not primarily masculine or feminine are referred to as transgender. Queer is a catch-all phrase for everyone who is not straight. Questioning people who are unclear of their sexual identity and are still investigating are referred to as questioning. The community acceptance in society. This community in today's India, which boasts about being modern, has not got proper recognition. No commoners are aware of the existence of it. Only a small section of the society, which has its domain in intellectual walks in all acquaint to its existence. In today's world, almost every person is know about the LGBTQ plus community. In fact, many of the people seem to deny the fact that a community of other than straight people even exists, especially in a country like India where there has been a recent change in the laws regarding the LGBTQ plus community. It seems like a war between people rather than a step towards a better future. The fact that many people argue that is not natural when it is actually part of nature and natural process and itself quite laughable. Marriages in LGBTQ. The Section 377 of the IPC makes sex or marriage with person of the same gender punishable by law. However, on September 6, 2018, the Supreme Court of India decriminalized Section 377, making gay sex legal. According to law, Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code states that a physical relationship between people of the same sex is considered an illegal and punishable offence. It has been in the law since it is made by the British colonial rulers. Even after gaining it, this law continued in the but in modern time many people started opposing this act as people think that is a biased and unnecessary act. Challenges faced by LGBTQ community at work. A workplace should be cohesive and inclusive of all the section. Any kind of discrimination at workplace affects that directly the productivity of the employees, which ultimately affect the economic perspectives of the organization. LGBTQ proving themselves. Joita Mandal. Joita Mandal is a social worker from West Bengal, India, and the first Bengali trans woman judge in a civil court. Career Mondal is a member of the transgender community who formed works for the group's welfare and growth. Uh, Mondal 29 became the transgender judge of a Lok Adalat in West Bengal, India on 8 July 2007. She began her career as a judge of Lok Adalat in Islampur, North Dinajpur, where some of their first class concerned bank debt collection. So, this is all about LGBTQ and their independence. Please like this video and share this video, and if you have any question related to this, please mention in the comment box. In this presentation we discuss about section 377 and LGBTQ plus community and how they treat in India and what's the laws and or LGBTQ rights in India and LGBTQ proving themselves in many jobs. So please like this video and share this video. Thank you and have a nice day. And this video is not for any kind of promotion, advertisement, etc.